Okay, guys, so this is the second part of the notes. Okay, go to the second part of the notes. Multiply and divide. Rational expressions, okay? So, before we start multiplying and dividing rational expressions, I want you to remember or review how to multiply and divide regular fractions. So, for example, if I multiply 3/14 times 7/15, I selected this problem. We're going to go through simplifying first. Factor everything. 3, it stays there. Let me erase this and I go through. So that one, there's nothing to factor, is 3. 14 is 2 times 7. This part right here is 7. And this one is 3 times 15. The multiplication of fractions is the only one that lets you simplify before you multiply. Okay? You cannot do this with addition or subtraction or with division. So start by looking for common factors. You can look vertically or diagonally. See, for example, here this is 3. The 3 cancels the 3. You can never cancel like horizontally. 7 is here and here. So the answer is going to be 1. Remember, when everything disappears in the fraction, the numerator or denominator, you still have 1. So put 1 on top over 2 times 15, which is 30.
It's 2 times 5.
This is...
Did you put 15?
I put 15. I don't know why I put 15. Is 5 in the problem? Is 5?
No, the bottom times 5. In the top.
In the bottom part.
I'm only silly when I'm around you.
Oh, I see.
God, you're making me blush.
Okay, so I'm going to, I said multiply whatever is left, which in this case is the 1 on top. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, that's exactly, the process is exactly the same. Now, the factorization, the strategy is that what is different. Again, we're going to factor every single one. This is a multiplication of 2 rational expressions. How do I factor 5y minus 20? Common factor, 5. After you do this like 500 times, then it's going to be very easy for you. So, 5, common factor, 5. 5 times y is 5y, 5 times 4 is 20. Then this one, 3. 3 times y plus 5, right? Because 3y is there. 3 times 5, 15. 7 is in both of them. 7. 7y is there. 7 times 5, 35. And these two, what you have in common is 10. 10 times y plus 4. Then look for common factors. Being careful where the one is going away, you are making it different from 0. Okay? So, y plus 5 has to disappear. Like y cannot be negative 5 because negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So what is left on 5 and 10 is that having 5 tenths. How do I simplify 5 tenths? Isn't that 1/2? So 1 over 2. Cross out the 5 and the 10. So what is left is 1 times 7, 7, and the y minus 4 is part of that. And then 3 times 2 is 6, and y plus 4. And that's the final answer for the problem. Okay?
So we cross multiply afterwards?
No. Multiply across. Multiply across. For factoring, for multiplication of fractions is always multiply across, like this.
Not two quick questions.
Whatever is left. Because you have 5 tenths. It's the same you have it, like remember I told you? It's the same you have it vertically or in diagonal. But never simplify if it is in a horizontal. Okay? So let's go through the next one, problem number. Now we're going to divide. Let me go through division, and I am going to erase this part to do it all over with you guys. And, I erased something else. It's okay. On the number 4. Okay guys, I'm going to restart the video.